10 billion Nabox tokens are being distributed through the Alpaca Money app on Telegram, and you can grab some. What's up everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero, and today I want to show you how to participate in the airdrops from the Alpaca Money app on Telegram, where you can earn Nabox tokens and a few others. The Alpaca Money app has been running for some time now and has already hosted a few bubble pools with rewards. However, recently this announcement was made about 3 new major pools. One of them started on February 8th along with this announcement, and the other 2, which are bigger, will start on February 13th. So stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to participate in this and other future pools. The process is the same. The first thing you need to do is click on the link I left in the video description and access the Alpaca Money app on Telegram. When you access the app, you'll need to log in and also link your wallet to receive cryptocurrencies. The wallet, in this case, is the one you create within the Telegram app. The main goal of the app is to accumulate grass, which is essentially these points here that serve as a metric for you to participate in the airdrops. In other words, the more points you have, the more tokens you earn in the airdrops. To play the game, just access the Telegram app on your mobile phone, PC desktop, or web browser. After that, click on the game option. As long as you have the energy shown up here, you can spend it playing. Just click the play button. The game is very simple. You just have to match the coins. Look, when a coin appears at the top, try to match it with identical coins so that it transforms into a higher value coin. For example, when you combine these 2 blue coins, they merge and become 1 Solana. So just keep making combinations with the goal of merging as many as possible to get the highest value coin. The more combinations you make, the more points you accumulate, which is exactly the grass currency I showed you at the beginning. But try your best not to let the coins reach the top, because whenever they aren't matched, they will pile up until they hit the ceiling, ending the round. Another way to earn points is through tasks, which are often social activities, such as following a profile on Twitter, joining a community on Discord, inviting friends via your referral link, and using the activity tab. Here, you can burn the coins you earn in the game to complete the daily combo. When you burn these 3 required coins, you earn an additional 100,000 points. For example, here it's asking for 17 dogs coins. Looking at my coin list, I have 17 dogs. In this case, I can go to the activity tab and click on the dogs coin to burn them. I also have USDT, but I don't have Bitcoin. So, I'll need to play the game more to earn Bitcoin and then burn all 3 daily to gain points. Basically, this is how you score points to increase your share of the airdrop rewards available in the platform. Now, I'll explain how to do it. In the activity section, you'll find the so-called bubble pools. There have already been 3 bubble pools, one for nulls, one for aura, and one for bullcoin. The SwissX pool is still open, and the Nabox token pool has just started. I'll enter the SwissX pool to pop the bubbles that appear. You can see? By popping these bubbles, I earn cryptocurrencies. At the top, you can see the total pool value, and below, you can see how much I've earned. You can do the same thing in the Nabox pool. So, I'll keep popping bubbles to earn and accumulate Nabox tokens. Again, the total pool value is displayed above, and below is the amount I've earned so far. As I mentioned, this pool has just begun. As you continue earning here, the tokens will gradually appear in your wallet. There's no secret. Just accumulate points by playing, complete social activities, and then pop the bubbles in the activity section. Some bubbles can be popped up to 4 times a day, so it's worth keeping an eye on. The current Nabox pool has 1 billion tokens. The next one will have 7 billion tokens, and the following one will have 2 billion tokens. Keep in mind that new pools may also be launched for new events and projects within the app. After all, that's the idea behind Alpaca Money. Now, one last tip. Join the official Alpaca Money group on Telegram. Want to know why? Well, within the Telegram minigame, under the tasks section, there's an activity called Red Envelope Activity. If you're interested, this task involves creating a mini airdrop with your own cryptocurrencies to earn a lot of points and various other tokens. Although it requires spending a small amount of your own crypto to complete this mission, it's worth it because other people, including communities and projects, are also doing it. Even the Alpaca Money project itself uses this method to boost engagement. Nabox Wallet has done this too if I'm not mistaken. So, by participating in the Alpaca Money community on Telegram, you'll frequently come across messages like this. Do you see? Someone created a red envelope with 1000 SwissX tokens. By clicking the link in the message, we see that 5 people won. But be quick, because you need to act fast to claim the tokens. However, as I said, these posts appear frequently. Sometimes they come from the community, a random user, or even the official Alpaca Money team. Remember, you don't need to make any transactions, okay? Just open the link and claim the reward. If you see anything different from what I showed, simply ignore and close it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I also hope you pop a lot of bubbles and collect plenty of tokens because I'll be doing the same over here. Stay tuned, as new bubble pools frequently appear, giving us more opportunities to earn tokens. I'll keep an eye on things, and if there's any news, I'll bring it to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like to support my work here on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future opportunities one bring to you. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.